What's up, Wanderers? I am Jessica, and currently I am packing to go backpacking tomorrow. So I thought it would be a perfect time to tell you guys all about my checklist for my backpacking trip and a few extras and how I organize. Alright, so when I plan for my backpacking checklist, I like to break my gear down into categories. So the first category is going to be your backpacking gear, which is your pack and your trekking poles. Then you'll get into your sleep system, so your tent, your sleeping pad, or are you hammock camping, or should you bring a hammock just to have for fun? Sleeping bag, I'm bringing an inflatable pillow on mine. So then your sleep system. Then the next category you're going to want to think about is your kitchen, which includes your food and water supplies. So what are you going to cook with? Are you bringing a backpacking stove? Do you have a cup and utensils, gas, your food for the days? And then how are you going to be hydrating? Are you going to be using a life straw? Are you packing in water, or are you filtering it? And with your planning, it's good to know where your water sources will be coming from. So make sure you're planning for that. So the next category is clothing and footwear. So this is going to be chosen based on the weather conditions you're in and the trail conditions. So for example, I'll be backpacking in Hawaii along the Nepali coast. And we have river crossings, so I'm bringing some river shoes, or some people like Crocs or sandals for river crossings. But if we were going up into the mountains, instead of bringing my regular hiking shoes, I might be bringing hiking boots. This goes into our clothing as well. Is it going to be warm, wet, rainy? So that's our category, is clothing and footwear. You want to plan according to where you'll be at. The next category is emergency and first aid. So this is the category you're planning for in case of an emergency. So of course you will have a first aid kit with all of the essentials in it. And I like to throw some ibuprofen in there in case I get sore. This is also, are you bringing a personal locator, or will there be cell service if you need to call for help? And then if you're in bear country or in the forest somewhere, do not forget your bear spray. This is very important and it's very helpful. So the next category is health and hygiene. So this will include your toiletry kit. Are you bringing a comb, toothbrush, hygiene? So I like to bring on backpacking trips, I like to bring these body wipes. On longer trips, I'll also bring some biodegradable soap, and make sure you're washing away from water sources. I'm going to be moving several hundred feet away to keep pollution out of that water source. Along those lines as well, bringing your potty kit. So for ladies, this means wipes. This could also mean the chiwi, also bringing a trowel for burying debris. So that goes all in the category of health and hygiene. Then the final category is your tools and your extras. So tools being repair kit. So I like to bring a little bit of duct tape with me, or a patch kit for if our tent gets a hole in it. Then also tools as in your headlamp, what are your light sources? And then if you are going into sand or snow, bringing sand or snow stakes for your tent to keep it down. So these are bonus stakes. So I hope you guys found this video helpful in breaking your gear down into categories. This helps me stay organized for the most part. So if you liked this video, leave me a thumbs up. I'm gonna leave a detailed list of my checklist in the description. So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next wandering.